stick me in the worst conditions. I'll show you exactly what I'm made of. It's actually so mad to me how much the weather impacts your mood. Like, when you wake up, you open the blinds and you just see, like, just, to be fair, it doesn't look that bad on the camera, but just rain, gloomy skies, you know, typical UK weather. You just like, it's not like I'm a very motivated person. Like, I'll wake up either way and still do stuff. Like right now we're just on the bike for the first workout of the day. Got a long run later on. Hopefully it's not pouring it down when I'm doing that, but if it is, we'll still get it done. But yeah, it's just mad that this type of weather can just make you feel a bit more lethargic, a bit like CBA, and you have to force yourself to, you know, get out and get it done. Like, I understand why those countries where you're in nice weather and whatnot, of course that's going to help you, you know, push on, because you're going to wake up, you're going to go, you know, like, I don't know, for a run on the beach in the morning, nice sun shining. But yeah, it's just, I don't know, just my early morning thoughts whilst on the bike on this day. I think it's day 30 now, 75 hard. But yeah, that's the UK for you. But at the end of the day, yeah, when it comes to training, when it comes to, you know, like weather like this and you're training, if you've got a workout scheduled for outdoors and you're on a fitness journey, just get your waterproof on and just go get it done. Because I've had runs in the rain where I've absolutely come back drenched and I've absolutely loved it. Like, running in the rain is crazy, but I'm not just talking about running, that's just the workout I got today. But if you see weather like this, you know, and you're like, oh, I'm not going to walk up to the gym because it's raining, like, I'll get it done tomorrow. Then what if it's raining tomorrow? You know, like, you never know, so just stick to your plan, get the stuff done. The weather shouldn't dictate it. The only time weather should dictate is if, you know, you're playing football and it gets called off. You know, like, if you can go for it and it's safe to go for the run, it's safe to go up, but it is safe to go into the gym, you know, it's indoors, then just do it. But yeah, this weather, ain't it? UK, so just sort yourself out, mate. But it's coming to winter now. The winter rock, as they say, the winter lock-in, and I'm buzzing for it, to be honest. This weather does not put me off. It makes me even more hungry to go run 2 hours in the rain. Bosh, that is 75 hard, day 3 workouts, little cycle now, long run later on, group call later on, fuel throughout the day. Let's get busy, weather ain't stopping us. 45 minutes on the bike, done, boshed off, wind is going all over the gaff, rain has stopped, weather is dreadful, but we got it done. And that's all it takes. Just get on there, get your workouts done, and you'll feel way better for it. Remember, morning movement, whether it looks like this, whether it's the sun shining, makes your mood 10 times better when you do get it done. So start your day, little journal, move your body, even if it's 10 minutes, and you'll feel way better for it, trust me. Look at the state of that pre-run fuel going down. Low fat Greek yogurt, dates, blueberries, honey, bowl of oats with banana and a little scoop of protein, and a black coffee. Wow, I don't know what to say. I really do know how to fuel. I'll back myself on that. But yeah, we're having obviously oats, long run. I don't really have, this wouldn't be my go-to breakfast if I was trying to drop body fat. But when you're, you know, going for a run, you need to fuel up properly. So I try and keep it low fat and obviously moderate amount of protein, but not too hefty. Otherwise, I'm just be running like bloody Homer Simpson, mate, carrying a fat ass belly with protein and healthy fats in it, and I won't be able to move. So yeah, light, digestible protein and carbs to fuel this morning, and it's around 10 o'clock. That's when we're having breakfast. I'll probably have something around 12, 1, a little bit, maybe some rice and chicken, a little bit of chicken, and then obviously, to be honest, I'll probably just keep it light. I'm not gonna have that actually, but anyway, that is the first meal of the day. Cheers to that. So I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of my pre-run nutrition today as well, just for anyone training for intense long runs, marathons, half marathons, 10Ks, whatever it is. You have to fuel properly for your runs. I remember one time I did a run and I was fasting for it, And first 5k, I was like, wow, yeah, this is sick. Like, I feel really good. Obviously, my fat stores, I was using those. Ended up doing a half marathon. And I tell you what, after that, 10k mark, I was flagging. Like, I obviously got it done because I got there, so I had to get back. I mean, but it was just horrendous. Like, you're meant to be fueled up if you're going for long runs. You're meant to fuel up before, meant to fuel up during, have the carbs. So fuel for your runs properly, first and foremost. So it's now 12:30 and I've literally just got pure, well, I say pure carbs. This is, if you know Jason's, the brand, if you don't, get to know, the best sourdough that you can get in supermarkets. Cost effective and proper ingredients. But this is the protein version, so it's just better seeds basically. Anyway, so that's 20g protein there. Got a load of honey on there and a banana as well. So carbs, minimal protein. There's probably a little bit more fibre than if I was to have white rice and something like that. But to be honest, it's a manic day, busy. So pop that in the toaster, put some honey on it, banana, bosh, carbs, plenty of carbs to fuel up. Be running in about 3.5 hours, so I'll probably just have, another banana, some electrolytes, and that'll be me pretty much done until I go for the run. I don't have gels at the moment, which is annoying. I'm waiting for my man James Warnock to release his gels because I've been following him for years. He's sort of inspired me to get into this whole fitness and posting thing. So waiting for his gels to come out because they look proper, 2 ingredients, and I just know they're going to be good. So waiting for those. I'm going to use those for the marathon. So hopefully they come out soon. If not, Velo Forte is what I'll have to go for. That's another good brand that I've used before. Pure ingredients, proper ingredients, real ingredients in your gels. That's what you want. Don't want none of that nonsense. But anyway, bosh, that is probably the last biggerish meal before the run. Bosh, here we go. 2-hour run. Let's get busy. I had the little nose thing to help with the breathing, and I'm already so sweaty that it's come flying off. But got Ed Sheeran blasting in my ears, so I'm feeling good. My legs feel good. That's what happens when you fuel up properly, and I'm ready. I'm ready for this. I reckon we got a little PB in the bag. I can't lie. Let's have it. 4k in, and we have encountered the monster that is Muswell Hill. If you know about that hill, an absolute killer. And doing that on this run is going to be an absolute madness. But that's what we want. That's what we want. Pure mileage, pure endurance. Get those legs working and get ready for a big, big challenge. Made it to the top of that hill. Had to stop off, get a little naked. Well, I wanted coconut water, but I did not have it. Anyway, I'm going to show you the type of hill that I'm going to have to run back up, considering I just ran up a hill. But anyway, have a look at this. You can't even get the full effect of it, but it's bloody long, that's all I'll say. Another hill. Oh, you hate to see it, but you also love to see it at the same time. Nothing easy. What's the, I can't even think of the saying. My head's flying. But we are getting this done, and that's the main thing. Woo! Legs are feeling it a bit, but that little pick me up, that little Naked bar, done its job. Anyone knows the owner of Naked, tell them I love their products. Woo! Oh yes, this is what I'm talking about. Rain heavier. Go on, give it to me. I love to see it. I love to see this. Woo! This is proper trenches. That's what we love to see. Oh yeah. I want it to be like this on a marathon. Stick me in the worst conditions. I'll show you exactly what I'm made of. Love them views though. Top of London. Can't beat it. That's what we love to see. So you come up here, Ali Pali, London in the background. Can't beat it. Would I prefer to be running by a beach in hot sunny weather? Yes, I would. But you know what? Everything happens for you, not to you. Remember that. This is what it's about. Getting out, moving your body, no matter what the weather's like.
No excuses. Stick to the plan, get it done, and you'll see the benefits, physically and mentally. Bush. Up the alley pally, up the darts, up the Loot Littler. Bush. 14k in, you know what time it is. Rain's covering the lens, we're all over the gaff, but we're only just getting started. It's coconut water time, getting those electrolytes in, finally got my hands on it. Got another 6k to go, half marathon. Bush, light work. Let's get busy and let's get this done. Get home, get on a group call, get some grub. I'm gonna try and stop at Sainsbury's and find this Tom Parker's chocolate milk thing that I've been hearing about to get that for post-run recovery. But yeah, we're absolutely flying, feeling good, and the rain has made me even more motivated, if anything. So let's go get this done and get some chocolate milk down the hatch. Bush! I just realised recently how much I've been saying Bosh. I don't even know where it's come from. I never used to say it. Ever since I started vlogging, I just turned into that geezer that says Bosh all the time. But anyway, that was just a little side note. Let's keep going. Bush! Deep in this ocean now, girl, you hold me. When I'm 6 feet in the ground, no, you wouldn't show me. And I never should know that. Now I'm lonely. I want everything I have. You're home tonight. I'll be alright. Wow, a last stretch, and then we're there. I can't lie. That towards the end of my calves are feeling it, but nonetheless, got it done. Keep it stepping. Plenty of miles in the legs once again. 22k. Yep, 22k boxed off. More to add to the tank. I need to get back because I'm running late. Literally got 5 minutes till the call. Soaking wet. This is what we do for the love of the game. I cannot wait for dinner, I'll tell you that much. Ravenous. No words. I'm done. I am finished, man.